how to download Zoom app in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom app. So first things first, you'll just need to go to your Microsoft Store. So you can go to the search bar and then you can search for Microsoft Store and then open it up. And here on the search bar, search for Zoom, hit enter, and then you'll find Zoom Workplace, tap on it, and then you'll see install option, tap on install, and then it will be downloaded. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video.